We're back with day 4 here. It's a new week, it's a Monday, and you can see our builders made some really good progress here with the rough-in. We're going to start over here, we're going to work our way around. So what you can see here is the vanity. We've got a mixer and a tap point, followed by the plumbing drain at the bottom there. We'll move over this way to see where our toilet is. This is our in-wall cistern, looking really good and well mounted there with our plumbing connections at the bottom. Now what you'll notice here is this new half-height stud frame wall. And what this is going to be is our shelf that's going to run entirely along that wall, and it's going to sit up behind our bathtub here, which you can see has the mixer and the tap with the hard pipe PVC plumbing straight into the bottom of this. It's going to be a freestanding bath, positioned against the wall, but still freestanding type. And if we go up, you can see our nice big window here. So this, if you remember, used to be a single for the toilet and then a little bit larger window, but completely separated. Now we've got one nice continuous source of light here, so that's going to really pay off. Move our way over here, some more plumbing work. You can see that on the left here, we have our mixer, and then quite a bit away from it, up the top on the right here, we have our shower head where that's going to be mounted. So you might ask why, if you're used to seeing them located very closely together. Well, the reason is when we use this, we want to be able to turn that on there, not get wet while the shower warms up for us. So if we look over here, you can see we've got our cavity slider. This is a cavity slider if you're not familiar with it. So door here slides over into our recessed space. That's looking very good. Moving on to the floor, you can see we've got our central drain point outside the shower here, temporarily capped so it doesn't have anything fall in there. You'll see that it's well recessed, so there's not going to be any problem with water moving across down into that drain. So that is very well done. And then if we have a look, we've got the same thing over here, but you'll see this one's actually located pretty close to the wall. And that's important because when we sheet up this wall, we want the waterproofing that's applied to that to be able to run down and then turn out horizontally there without having any difficulty or obstruction that you might get when the flange is too close to the wall. So I'd say that's very well positioned there. Looking very good. And that's about it for today. So looking good with the plumbing rough-in. Keen to see what comes next. We'll see you tomorrow.